Welcome back to Roaming the World with you. After leaving Stone Town, which is our last video, make sure to check it out if you haven't already, we headed to Kono Kono Beach Resort. And after spending some time getting settled, we're going to be heading to Mamas of Zanzibar. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's our second day here at the resort, and we are sadly leaving, and we're going to be taking a cooking class. Let's check it out.
Avocado, mango, passion fruit, that's good.
Karibuni jikoni. Welcome our kitchen. Today we have stove. We used to prepare a fire.
He doesn't know how to cook.
Okay, also we have this. This is our pot, we call chungu. And this is covering, we call mkungu. We use this for cooking our food, rice, beans, everything. So we use this one. This is clear pot, okay? Also we have this one covering, we just cover like this.
Huu ni mwiko na huu ni upawa. This is wooden spoon made by coconut shell. We used to cook porridge, sauce, and soup. And this one spoon we used to cook rice, beans, and everything we cook with. No, do like this. No.
See? Do it one more time, show him. Don't do that.
I got it.
No, do like this. No. And don't hit the pots.
Yeah.
Because you hit is the bread. Just to do like this.
Yeah.
Okay, here we have this. Kinu namchi is mutton pasta. We use this for grinding spices. Garlic, ginger, chili, everything. How we do, we just say slowly. Pole pole, okay?
Pole pole.
Yes, pole pole.
Huu ni ungo. In English we call sieve. We used to clean our food. Example, rice, beans, and everything we clean like with sieve. Example, rice, clean like this. Take a dart, come out, and flip like this. Flip like this, that is come out.
Oh, you was talking about me.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, see, look, there you go.
Nataka kulala mpenzi bebe, nina usingizi, nataka kulala habibi.
You make the spices?
Yes.
Let's get the full fit. Oh,
I like
snap.
the orange. Is that gonna fit your big head? We're heading to the market, and we have to have a traditional outfit to go to the market. In Zanzibar, they go to the market every day, right? To get fresh fruits and vegetables and fresh food. I love a market. I go to the grocery store every day too. Sean was a little fan. Anyway, they go to the market every day, figure out what they're gonna eat, go to the market. Because it may not have electricity, so you have to shop fresh daily. So that is what we're doing.
Called Chuin area, that's why the name of this Soko La Chuini, it means the area of this place is Chuini, so that's why it's called Soko La Chuini.
In order to get our shopping done at Soka La Chuini, we split into two groups. Christina was in one group and I was in the other group. And we had our own shopping list that we picked from, and we got to choose the items. I don't shop much, so it was definitely an interesting experience for me.
So here we have this kashata. Also we have the same kashata. So this is coconut snacks, kashata ya nazi. And this is peanut snacks, kashata ya njugu. Okay. Also we have a sesame here, sesame. Yes. Also we have this ubuyu. So this is ubuyu. It's baobab seed. It comes from the baobab tree. So how you eat this one, you just suck it. Don't swallow the seed, please, okay? Yes, most of our food we use coconut. Yes. So also we have this. This is kachori. It's potato, ginger, garlic, salt, and lime. Here we have visheti. It's white flour, coconut, and cardamom. This one is vitumbua. Is rice, flour, coconut, and cardamom.
Come on.
Strong. Such a
Muscle.
Yes. All right.
It's entering. Sir, do you need your stool? Sean's slicing tomatoes. We have onions, plantain. He's a spoiled man. He got a whole little setup.
And I still can't cook.
How was your coconut grinding experience?
It was fun. It's a lot of hard work.
It was sharp, but like the tool.
Yeah.
The shredded coconut plus water. Homemade coconut milk. You love coconut.
You hate cooking.
I know, but isn't this so much work for coconut milk?
So this is the second one, you see, and this is the first one that we squeeze. Okay, so this is more cream. This one is soft.
So is this coconut cream and coconut milk? Both coconut milk, okay.
Both of them. So when we cook our food, we're starting with this one.
Okay. What do we do with that?
This one, there are some mamas outside there. They're just collecting it to their neighbors. After that, they dry it to the sun and they sell it to the industry.
White flour, butter, white flour, butter, and oil, and salt. Chapati. Mine's chapati. Everybody else's. Okay.
Here is for pilau, rice. We're just going to fry onion until making brown. After that, we add our spices here. So we have cumin, we have cardamom, this black pepper, we have cloves and cinnamon. Also we have this one, Mamas of Zanzibar pilau. Salt, lime, ginger.
What kind of fish is it?
Tassi. Tassi, yes, it's right there. No, it's right there.
Good. Here with Mamas of Zanzibar, including Hannah.
Well, it's been an hour or so, and we are pretty much done cooking. We're getting ready to eat. I helped make chapati, and Christina got a henna tattoo, and there's coconut rice. I mean, pretty much everything has coconut in it. So if you're allergic to coconut, consider that. The other class is also making coconut oil. So there's coconut oil that's off to the side. I think we're gonna get some. And there's cats here, lots of cats. Anyway, we're gonna eat.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, this is fish. We got the pilau and coconut rice, and I think the coconut rice is my new favorite. I mean, pilau is still good, but there's some coconut in this pilau. It's too. Yeah, it's sweet. It's really good. I can't tell you what it tastes like. It's really chewy though.
It's made with cassava flour. It tastes like rice pudding. Yeah. Tastes like rice pudding.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.